Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the headlight assembly in this 2007 Mini Cooper S. If there's any parts you need for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Alright, underneath here there's two little clips that hold this cover down. Normally this would just flip up. Ours is not attached. I'm going to disconnect the negative battery cable. I use a 10mm socket and a ratchet. We disconnected the battery because it's a good idea to disconnect it whenever you're removing the Xeon headlights. Just wiggle that, set that aside. We're going to use a 10mm socket, an extension and a ratchet, and there's 4 bolts that need to come out. There's one right here, one down here, and there's one right there. Keep in mind the location of these bolts. Some of them are different sizes. This one's the shorter one. As you can see, that one's longer. That one's longer also. And this one's also longer. All right, now we're gonna grab the headlight assembly, just wiggle it up a little bit. There is a connector right here. You're going to use 2 fingers. There's a lock on this side and then a lock on the bottom. Wiggle it out. So you push down on those 2 locks. And then pull this out a little bit. There's a washer fluid hose right here for the headlight washers. Push down on the lock and pull it out. Some washer fluid might come out. And there's this assembly. We're going to slide this over here, install the headlight washer tube, line that up, lock it in place. We'll take the electrical connector right here, line that up, lock it in. Now we'll take our bolts for the headlight. This short one goes over here. Take the other 3, install those. We'll just get those started. And I'll tighten these down. You can kind of see the position of where the headlight was before. For that one at least. Take my 10mm socket, extension and ratchet, and just snug them up. Alright, we're going to reattach the negative battery cable. Slide that over there. Take my 10mm socket and ratchet. Just snug that up. Make sure the negative terminal is on there tight. It's good. We'll take this cover, put this cover back down. Lock it in place. After you're done installing the headlight, if you want to check the alignment, you can use a 6mm Allen. You're going to want to be about 25 feet away from a wall.
This is a basic tutorial on how to aim the headlights on your vehicle. Find the axis of your headlights. This is usually indicated with a small dot or the headlight bulb size on the lens. If not, it's the actual center point of your headlight bulb. Transfer this mark to a vertical wall with a preferably dark color that'll allow you to back up 25 feet. Pull up and find the center line of your vehicle as well as the center line of your headlight axis. Mark the wall with the height of the headlights and a straight line going across at that axis height. Back your vehicle up 25 feet from the wall to the front edge of your vehicle's headlights. Turn your headlights on and locate the adjusting screw, usually on the back side of your headlights. You'll want to rotate this until the passenger hotspot or focus of the beam is approximately 2 inches below the line and the driver's side is 4 inches below the line. We change the heights on each side so you can still get a good beam to the off side of the road on the passenger side and have the driver's side low enough to not blind oncoming traffic.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.